Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to cover the percent of change and specifically the percentage increase. I have two examples here, 12 to 20, 40 to 79, and we're going to run through these both examples together so we get it in our head pretty good. Okay, let's start. So first we need to get the amount of change of the two numbers. So to do that we do 20 minus 12, which equals 8. So this is our amount of change. Now, to get the percentage, we have a sort of formula. So we get the amount of change, we divide it by the old number, which is 12, which equals 0.667. After that, because now we created the decimal number, but we need the percentage, the increase percentage. So what we do with the decimal, we have 0.667. We multiply 0.667 by 100. And I got a simple trick for this. You can move the decimal, so the point, by two numbers like this. 1, 2. So the answer is 66.7. Because the 0 in the front doesn't have a value if the point is over here. So the percentage change of increase is 66.7%. So this is our answer of the first equation. So to the second example, we have 40 to 79. So first we have to do just like this one, but just with a bit bigger numbers. So the new number minus the old number to get the amount of change. 79 minus 40 equals 39. Like this. Then we have the amount of change. So 39 is the amount of change. Now we use the formula again. So 39, the amount of change, divided by the old number, which is 40, equals 0.975. So here we got our decimal number, which we do with the decimal now is just times it by 100. So 0.975. Move the decimal 2 times to the right, and then we get 97.5%. So this is our answer to the second one. This is a very simple way to get the percent of change and increase. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys understand the percent of change and increase right now. If you have any questions, you can always leave them in the comments. And leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.